2011 na! These past few weeks, I have been sharing with you my experiences last holiday season. Sana nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did. Ang dami ko talagang pinuntahan at ginawa. Kaya to wrap up the sharing of my 2010 holiday experiences, I am going to once again bring you back to December and see my two most favorite holiday events.
Dito kami ngayon sa airport. Naiiya po, no? Naiiya airport. Naiiya na airport. Para sa flight po namin to Hong Kong. Meron kami Christmas party na attendan. Kasama ko po sila Christian Bautista, Charlie Green, Sam Concepcion, at si TP. Welcome to my lunch. Punta na kami ng Hong Kong. Yes! Hello guys! Dito na kami sa Hong Kong. Ayun. Yun ang sinabi.
Ayun.
Nandito na rin si Sir Louie.
Naghintay lang kamo tayo.
Naghihintay lang ng aming
Ayun, no?
Tapos, mamaya may rehearsals kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa rehearsal studio para sa event tomorrow night.
She's flawless, her performance, her beauty, her charm, the people love her. And sabi ko, lahat na nasa kanya.
Very good. It's like a world-class singer, Filipino world-class.
It's really fun. It's really great. She's very professional and ayun.
Oh, it's nice. She's awesome. She has a beautiful voice. It's inspiring.
Is absolutely amazing because she is a great singer and is a brilliant person.
As a performer, alam ng lahat, very professional, very precise. Pag nasa stage na siya, nag-iiba. Nagiging superstar. And then pag sa backstage, nawawala yung pagka-superstar and you will see a very humble girl. So iniidolo talaga ng maraming kabataan. I'm hosting Star Power with Eric Santos and all the girls are singing Sarah Geronimo song. So ganun kalakas impact ni Sarah Geronimo.
We had only a day to rehearse for the show, kaya naman that time, talagang kinabahan ako sa performance ko the next day. But one thing na nagpalakas ng loob ko is knowing that I am with really talented people in this show, kaya naman, fight lang!
Hello, 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 hello. We are starting in just a while. At ako talaga ng nervous. So help me God. Kaya galing naman kasama ko. God bless me.
DJ Charlie, DJ Mike.
Galing! Oh, may mga tag.
DJ Sam.
The show will be great. Kanina, nung narinig ko yung practice, yun eh. Grabe. I'm actually a fan of her tone, her voice. Kakaiba. Parang every time na nagpo-perform siya, kahit nagpo-practice lang, tusok na tusok yung emotions.
We've been rehearsing a lot, especially the song. Siyempre, yung musical director namin si Mr. Leo Campo. So, I expect na talaga that it's gonna be a good show. It's gonna be a real night show. Director namin si Direct Roel, so everything's organized, everything's fixed. And everyone's ready naman, and everyone's feeling good. Kaya, ayun, out of the yung lightheartedness namin dito, matanda lang sa stage, and hopefully, we'll make the people happy.
I have no expectations, just have fun. I hope everyone has fun, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a good show. When we all get out there and work together, and energy, as long as we have fun, it should be good.
Well, it actually brought back some memories.
Oh, really?
Yes. I remember every time we have our family reunion in the province, just like the theme of their act,
Yeah.
me and my cousins would compete for the spotlight all the time.
Oh, us too. Yeah. It was always boys against girls all the
That's
time.
right. That's right.
That's right.
And you boys.
What?
Boys always make us girls cry.
Hello. Is that right? And you girls, you think you're just cute and spicy and everything nice? Really? You girls kind of freaked us out when we were kids. You guys
We
were
freaked you
weird.
out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. How about now? Do we still freak you out?
No,
Not anymore.
not anymore. Seeing how beautiful you are
Ooh.
tonight. Not really. Because that's what I like about Christmas. It sure changes. My Christmas wish sometimes change over the years. You want to hear my Christmas wish?
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, your mom is right there.
Yes, I'm ready.
Santa, make her my bride this Christmas. Santa, it was very much just a sprinkle of reindeer as you fly above the snow.
Sabi ko na nga ba at mabuti ang kalalabasan ng aming show. I'm really thankful that I have people I trust behind this performance. Si Sir Louis Ocampo, na talaga namang genius kasi he was able to prepare everyone in just a day, at si Direk Ruel who was able to do the show with no glitch. Ang saya talaga mag-perform sa ibang bansa. Pero, wala pa rin tatalo sa Pinas. Kaya naman, I was so excited to go home. Manila, here I come! Last December, marami akong pinuntahang salo-salo which I shared with all of you. Sa lahat ng yun, talaga namang nag-enjoy ako, hindi lang na makasama ang iba't ibang uri ng tao, kung hindi pati na rin kumanta para sa kanila. Pero isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko ay ang pagkanta sa isang charity event para sa mga bata. Sabi nila, ang Pasko daw ay para sa mga bata. Kaya naman, when I was invited to go to a charity event, hindi ako nag-atubili na pumunta at pagbigyan ang kanilang
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon. Nandito ako sa Immaculate Conception Academy. Magpe-perform po ako ng 3 songs para po sa social action, student, staff. Ayun. Ayan. Kasi in-invite nila ako para kantahan yung mga kids. Ito. Ang details. From the kids of Barangay Tiberias. Barangay Tiberias. Saan ang Barangay Tiberias? In San Juan. San Juan. Ayun. So, yun po. Tara na.
Bakit ito ako? Hi! Good morning! Good morning! Kumusta kayo? Hello, kids! Hello! Malapit na ang Pasko. Alam niyo, sesero ko na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makita kayo at makasama kayo ngayong araw na ito. Kasi dito ako kumanta. Kilala niyo ba ako? Mga kids, sino ako? Sana mo? Sino? Sara? Geronimo? Ha? Geronimo? I'm gonna flip the scale around, shake it up, bring it down. Work it, shake it, baby, get ready, bring it to the dance floor. Boy, I'll give you one more. Work it, shake it, baby, get ready, bring it to the dance floor. Boy, I'll give you one more. If you know that you know the skill, if you don't know, you're gonna show you more. I'm with you sound. You never heard before, moving along now. You know you wanna do some more. I'm gonna flip this table around, shake it, break it down. I'm gonna flip this table around, shake it down.
So yung charity fair po kasi annually siya nagaganap. So for the past 4 years, 3 years I've been in SASS. Parati na po siyang every December nagkakaroon po ng charity fair. But it's only now that we've had a celebrity, and thanks to Pian's mom that we got Sarah Geronimo for the charity fair this year.
Do you love to sing? Singer ng Ika? Kasi lagi may ganun daw sa school natin. Ilan ba kami na kumara? nakakanta sa mga opportunity sa school? Ano yung mga songs na ikaw din! Ikaw din ba? Okay. Ano yung mga kinakanta mo sa anong favorite mo kinakanta? Mga nakanta mo na dito sa school? Wow! Kelly Clarkson? Wow! Better pala ito si ano? Oh, smile mo! Pwede mo humingi ng sample? Askin mo! I'll spend my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Make a wish, take a chance, make a change and break away. Listen into the sun, and I won't forget all the ones that I love. Make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break away.
Siyempre, goosebumps yun. Yung inspirasyon na nabibigay mo sa mga bata. Well, hopefully, nakakapagbigay ako ng inspirasyon kahit sa pagkanta lang. Especially kanina nung kinanta ko yung Give Love on Christmas Day.
Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has ever been fame would be so happy if you were.
Siyempre, para talaga yun sa mga bata. Ang Pasko talaga para sa mga bata. So, ayun, sana napasaya ko sila.
Nakatutuwa talaga ang mga estudyante ng IKA dahil kahit bata pa lang sila ay nasa isip na nila ang pagkakawang gawa. Isipin nyo, kung lahat ng tao ay matutong magkawang gawa at tumulong sa murang edad, then this world would be a better place talaga.
So, weekly po, nag-outreach po kami, tapos voluntary actions ng mga students dito po sa IKA. Pero itong charity fair, we've been preparing for this since June, since the start of the school year po. So, it's really a big thing for us. And the sponsors po are the people here, the students of IKA mostly.
Paunahan ito ng pag-raise ng hand, ha? Paunahan ng pagsagot. Ready na? Ready ka na, John? Opo! Joshua! Opo! Si ano? Roland? Ano yan? Roland? Parang kulang na. Roland? Ano pangalan mo? Arlan! Kakaiba yun eh. John Mark! Ready ka na, John Mark? Okay. Si Kaki? Erin! Si Karil? Erin! Ready na kayo? Si Jayceline? Angel? Okay, ito na. First question. Ano ang tawag sa salo-salo tuwing Pasko? Angel. So, kids, sino may alam? Bigyan natin ng clue. Starts with letter N. Letter N. Lakas ang baby, dahan-dahan. Leche ba? Pakinggan talaga. Noche. Noche buena. Noche buena. Baka ako lang sa ating sawa lang ako narinig. Okay, congratulations, Kaki! Okay! Asan ang prize ni Kaki? O, mamaya. Okay.
At syempre, pagka games,
sobra akong ecstatic, yung talagang excited ako at enjoy na enjoy. Ang saya na, ako naman yung nagpapa-games. Ako naman yung nagbibigay ng, ako lang yung host, ganyan. So, nakakatawa, sarap sa pakiramdam. At syempre, yung makita yung mga bagets na, yung mga bata na natutuwa, diba?
Si Jenna! Jenna nasa sa game! Si Francesca. Tama ba? Francis Gale. Ready ka na, Francis Gale? Ganda ni Francis Gale. Si Man! Ready na na? Angelica! Ready na? Si daming John, ano? John! Ready na? Okay. Okay, here's the question. Sino, alam na alam natin lahat ito. Sino ang bida ng may bukas pa? Si ano? Si Yuri. Antino. Si Antino! Congratulations, Yuri! Yay! Si Yuri eh. Pero alam nila lahat eh. Si Santino. Congrats, kids! Okay. Pero lahat naman sila may prize, di ba? Want your si Ma'am Janice. Ang ganda niya. Ang pretty mo. Ang pretty. Kumana kay Mami. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love you more. Galing, ano pangalan niya? Wow, Bella! Where's Edward? Thank you so much. Very good! Okay. Susunod ako na lang yung participant.
Yes, tapos na po ako mag-perform para sa mga kids. Ulitin ko po yung ginawa ko kanina. Ito po ay charity fair na inorganize po ng Social Action Student Staff ng Immaculate Conception Academy. So, ayun po, kumanta ako ng 3 songs at nagkaroon ng konting games para sa mga bata. So, sobra akong nag-enjoy. Sana nag-enjoy din sila.
Parte na ng buhay ko ang pagkanta sa harap ng ibang tao. Masaya ako kapag kumakanta ako. Pero ibang klaseng saya ang naidudulot ng kawang gawa. Kaya naman, lubos ako nagpapasalamat kay Miss Pinky Tubiano at sa students ng ICA for giving me the chance to perform and be the host in their charity event. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
I'm thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever